Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the compression. As you can see here, 740 kilobytes is active. And if you turn on and off different elements, you see the amount of load goes down. So it really, you can have a lot more in here, but only the elements that are turned on get loaded. So right now you have 740 kilobytes that is actually total here. Let me just zoom in so you can see the whole thing. And this is actually using the animation, so let me just show you. So I'll just play the animation. So there you go. That is the total size. So if you go to the settings menu, the creative settings menu, and you scroll down, you have two different bulk image optimizers. One is lossless and the other is lossy. So I'm going to use lossy. And you can see here if I apply, it then took the whole thing down to 369. This is actually what we're looking for. So I'm going to actually save this, and then we're good to go. Thank you very much.